Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Convert 18 degrees Celsius into Rankine, Kelvin, and degrees Fahrenheit. We'll do Rankine last because it requires degrees Fahrenheit. So the first one we're going to do is Kelvin because that is standalone. So you just add 273, so 18 plus 273 is 291 Kelvin. Next, we're going to convert degrees Fahrenheit. So it is 1.8 multiplied by degrees Celsius plus 32. So 1.8 multiplied by 18 plus 32 is 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit. And then to convert to Rankine, we have degrees Fahrenheit, and then we add 460. So 64.4 plus 460 is 524.4 Rankine. Before we leave, I highly suggest that you save this video onto your PC, just in case it gets taken down, or the channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. So use the snipping tool if you never used it before, follow the instructions. If you are on a Mac, use a Mac equivalent of the snipping tool. You can find the snipping tool in Windows, it'll be in the taskbar. If not, search it through this Windows search, type in snipping tool. Okay, click on video, click on new, left click, drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button, let the video finish. Hit the red square, stop the recording, and then save your video. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.